Okay, so before we start the interview, we would like to introduce ourselves. So I'm Felix, and there's like Lorian, Felicia, and Gabby as my interview partner. We would like to ask some question for you.
Sure. Feel free to asking some question. Okay, anyone who wants to start? No need to very stress. It's very easy. You can talk anything in English.
Okay. The first one is, what is your name?
Okay, my name is Stefanus.
How old are you?
I'm 51 years old.
Would you tell us the name of your job?
My job is business development and consultancy in the company.
What's one thing that you are curious about but haven't got the chance to do it?
Actually, one thing that I want to do it is the opportunity like yours. In my in my era, actually, when I was in similar like your age, I don't have experience. I don't have chance like this to interview people and learn English like what you did. And I think if you to answer your question, yeah, I think I want to do it traveling. If I can do traveling more, not only in Indonesia but also in overseas like Singapore, the Australia, Hong Kong, Melbourne, or Malaysia. So I want to do it more from the start. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, is that all of your answer? So we can move on to the next question.
Yes.
Okay, great answer. The next question is, if you had an extra hour for every day, what hobby or skill that you would use on it?
If I have an extra hour in my life now, I want to learn about AI, artificial intelligence, because you like it or not, AI will be replacing a lot of work, especially in the business.
Okay. In your opinion, does your job require or consume money?
Of course, my job require me to meet a lot of people, especially as a marketing and business consultant. I met people, entertain people, do a business trip, traveling, not only in Singapore, but also can go overseas, like to Indonesia, to Malaysia, or to Australia, or to Hong Kong, even to Europe, also needs traveling. So, but of course, uh, there are certain different before pandemic and after pandemic. If you notice, after pandemic, I using my time only in Singapore more often. Before pandemic, I have a lot of traveling, but now uh, I try to meet up in Singapore.
Okay, great answer.
Okay, next question. Do you have an advice that has changed your perspective on something?
I think the best advice for you, especially if you are still in the teenager or in this uh, certain age like yours, especially in junior college, like in BPK Penabur. you can learn anything, especially make a lot of friends, not only in Bandung. You can also make a friend in other city, to Jakarta or to other countries like Singapore, Malaysia. It's good to you to know more young people and learn something outside your territory. Of course, you need to focus in your territory in Bandung, but during the future, yeah, for the future, now a lot of students like yours have a good opportunity to connect with others people in outside. You can using your technology like like a handphone or laptop. You can using there as a tools for you to improve yourself, and also you can learn how to speak English more confident, speak other language like Mandarin or Korean or other language, maybe Japan, Chinese also. It's good for you to know more often and a lot of new experience. I think hopefully this one can answer your question.
Okay. The next question, did you have precious moment while doing your job? If yes, could you tell us one of it?
Of course, my previous moment in my job is because every day I met with a lot of people. The people is connecting with our company, is my company, is there's a lot of experience, a lot of inquiry. I give example. When I met with the new client, I want to understand what they need, what they do, and what our company can give a value, add value for their inquiry. And language is the important previous moment when we can solve and we can deliver our service to them, and they're happy to using our service, especially to set up company in Singapore or create event, or we can do a buy and sell company, business matching, or a business trip. So when the client have experience good result is very precious for my company and also my self development. Hopefully this one can answer your question.
Okay, wonderful answer. For the next question, was there any moment you find hard while doing your job?
Of course, the hard one for doing my job is when I met with the wrong partner. When we realize our partner is not deliver our partnership, and our partner is in the different tone and different agenda, different schedule with our expectation. This is number one. Number two, I have experience to fail, to do investment, but the investment is not as good as I want to take, not I expected. So this one also bad experience for me, but I also want to emphasize the bad experience is doesn't mean I don't want to continue to learn, because when you can see the success is not only a success but also need to learn. People must learn from the mistake in the past. Impossible if people always correct. It's not like that. In my business, in my job, we need to learn from new people, especially young people like yours. Thank you. Then, any other question?
I see. I'm really sorry that you had to go through that. For the next question, did you had fun experience doing your job?
Pardon, you can repeat again?
Did you had a fun experience while doing your job?
Oh, fun experience, of course. My fun experience is meet up with the new people like yours, even though we don't know each other, but now we can do a conversation. And also, if the client satisfied with our service, the client can be my good experience and my fun experience.
Are you finished with your answer?
Pardon, you can.
Are you finished with your answer? I'm just
Yes,
asking.
I already finished my answer.
Okay, for the last question, is there any skill required for your job?
Is there any
Is there any skills required for your job?
skills? Oh, of course. In my job, need the skill like communication, leadership, marketing, networking, and positive thinking. You need to have this kind of the skills. And the last thing is you need to have a priority and build a relationship. Number one, relationship with yourself. Number two, relationship with your clients. And the important thing is relationship with God. Because if you have a relationship with God, God will provide all the way when you facing the difficulty. Because without God, we don't have capability to facing the bad situation or the worst situation. And in only people can depend of God, we can achieve, and also we can have a priority, and we also can add value to others person and the community and the family, and also to our fellow partner and our fellow staff and intern. I think this one important for me.
Okay, so are you finished with your answer?
Yes, already.
Okay, since this is the last question, we will end this interview. Thank you so much for your thoughts and your time tonight. Also, thank you for sharing your experience with us tonight. Have a great night and may God bless you. Me and my
Okay.
interview partners will leave this meeting. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Lauren. Thank you, Felicia. Thank you, Felix. Thank you, Gabby. Bye.
Bye, and
Bye.
thank you so much once
Bye-bye.
again.
Okay.